everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Londa, I'm the Crazy Vegan. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very easy 3-ingredient breakfast oatmeal bar. So enjoy the video, let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is set your oven to 350 and let that preheat. While that's preheating, you take a bowl. You take 1 banana, and you're going to mash it up. You can also use thawed frozen banana, which will actually make it sweeter because most likely you put it in there when it was really ripe. For some reason, when you saw even regular bananas, it seems to be a lot sweeter. So you're mashing those bananas up really well. And then you're going to add 1/2 cup of oats. I'm using old-fashioned 100% whole grain oats. You can use cooking oats, you can use the steel cut oats, you can use any oats that you want. But today I'm using old-fashioned oats. And you're going to dump a lot of cinnamon in, however much you want. I like a lot of cinnamon, so I'm using a lot. And then you mix that up. A lot of people, when they make this, they add either chia seeds or flax meal or hemp hearts to it for extra nutrition. But you don't need to. The way this one is, it is Starch Solution compliant, maximum weight loss compliant, as well as Nutritarian compliant. It is a whole foods plant-based breakfast, and it's great for cooking ahead of time and using for on the go if you know you have to leave but you know you're not going to have time to eat. So you can prepare it before you get ready, and then when it's ready, you can take it with you. Alright, there we have it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take a cookie sheet, and we're going to put some blobs on there. This batch makes about 3 of proper size. To that first one. And just because I like cinnamon, I'm going to add more. This was one of those cake decorating things that had some colored sugar in it, and I thought it would be perfect for my cinnamon. Now you bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees. And then I'll show you from there. Okay, it's been 15 minutes and my cookies are done. So I'm just going to put them on a plate. You see that? No. There we go. 3-ingredient oatmeal breakfast bars. My oven, it took 15 minutes to make. Depending on where you live, your elevation, it could take anywhere from 8 to 10 minutes to even 20 minutes. The way you can tell they're done is if your whole house smells like cinnamon. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Just a quick note about our breakfast bars today. You can add anything to it. You can add nuts, dried fruit, craisins, raisins, cut up apples, applesauce. You can add just about anything to it. You can even add chocolate chips if you like that. Use this as the base recipe and play with it and see what you can come up with. Let me know in the comments what you try, and thanks for watching.